As the number of smartphone users keeps on increasing, movie piracy continues to rise. With piracy, nothing seems clear cut and right, morally, ethically, legally, and economically. Piracy affects the producers and the artists as illegal sales affects their main source of income. This may lead to an exodus of artists from the country. It also affects the revenue and tax system of the country, so indirectly it affects the nation as there are less funds to be reinvested. Businesses cannot compete with the low prices of piracy, so they cannot expand efficiently. This affects the economic development of the nation. Ultimately, the effect is reflected by the employment levels. Workers across all industries which are victims of piracy continue to lose their jobs. Also, piracy makes it difficult for producers to gauge the demand their film is receiving. So this may affect future production. So even if piracy has or may have net positive effects on consumers, it does not reduce the damage that is caused. So as responsible citizens, the choice is ours.